channel! Alright, so ang topic natin sa video na to is all about online teaching. So a lot of you have been asking me kung ano ba yung first step na gawin if ever mag-apply sila dito sa Engoo. Ano ba yung mga requirements? Ano ba yung step-by-step process? Ano ba yung language test? Ano ba yung video test? And teach, what if hindi ako nakapasa? Anong gagawin ko? So, mga katanungan na dito lang natin yan masasagot sa channel ko. So, if you want to know more, just please keep on watching until the end of the video. So, ready? Let's start! Ano ba yung unang gawin ko para maka-apply ako dito sa Engoo? Okay, una sa lahat, panoorin mo muna tong video na to. Ayan, may link dyan. Kita mo? Yes. So, panoorin mo muna yung step-by-step process ng application at saka kung ano yung mga requirements. Kasi kapag wala kang requirements, wala ka pang, hindi mo pa alam yung mga step-by-step process ng application, then of course, hindi ka makakapag-start sa pag-apply, di ba? So, kailangan mo munang kumpletuhin kung ano yung mga requirements. At para malaman mo kung ano yung requirements, then manood ka sa video na nilink ko ngayon at tsaka andyan din sa description box. Okay? Now, kapag tapos ka ng manood doon, then bumalik ka ulit dito sa video na to. Kasi mapapanood mo dito kung ano talaga yung initial step or yung language test or video test. Okay?
Okay, so the first step is to go to Google and search for Apply Engoo. And you can see there in the search result, the first one. Please click on that. Then you will be routed to the registration page. So this is the registration, the video test, and language test. And then you're done. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3. So first, let's do the registration of your application. So you need to fill out some items there. So I'll let you see how I filled out mine. So country of residence is Philippines. So just to let you know, if you're a tutor residing outside of the country in Philippines, then it's not applicable or you're not eligible for some tax-related concerns. So this is only for Filipino non-native speaker or native speakers who are residing here in the Philippines. So there you go. And here on the email address, please make sure that this is the one that is working or the one that you have access to. Then for the ID for the IDs, I will be listing down in the description box below on what are the list of IDs that they accepted. So for me, I chose my UMID or SSS ID. Alright, then click continue and it will save your data. And then after that one, oh, I'm sorry. I have already used this email address though. This was my email address right now since I'm already an Engoo tutor. So I need to change this one to Yahoo. So one moment. Okay, just to test that you are not a robot. So you need to verify. Yep. Okay, next. Okay, there you go. So confirm your email to continue with your application. So there will be an email that will be sent to your email address regarding this. Okay, so you need to confirm on that. Now I'll show you how I confirm it. One moment. Alright, so when I checked my Yahoo Mail, I saw this Engoo email that please confirm your email. So let's click that blue button, confirm email. Okay, there. Okay, let me just pause this one here. So once you click the confirm email, you will be routed to the page. Now, I want you to go back to the page where you registered first. Okay, so go back to that page and then this one you need to refresh on that page and this is what you will see. Registration complete. So the next step of the application process is a computer test, followed by an English test. So please take the test using the same computer you will use when working as a tutor, okay? So your computer must have a wired internet connection. But take note, before they are very strict with a wired internet connection, but right now they are accepting prepaid connection or Wi-Fi connection as long as you are sure or you can guarantee that there is no cutting in and out of the internet connection or there is no slow internet connection. Okay, so let's assume that all is okay. So let's start. Welcome to the computer test. So in this part, you need to click and play the video. So when I click on that, there will be a video that has an audio sound. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So there will be a sound upon watching this video. So if you hear it, then click yes. Alright, now let's go to the language test. Okay, so here in language test, please give access to your camera and microphone when prompted, okay? Then afterwards, there will be 2 questions that you need to answer within a minute. And each answer must be at least 15 seconds long. So brief, concise, direct to the point, okay? So let's go next. Okay, so allow, use your microphone, use your camera, allow. Alright, then you're all good. Yes, there you go. You can see yourself and then click finish once you have done setting up your camera. So in this one, I'm going to show you that you must be on the center of the camera, okay? Your angle, your face, and then your background must be plain. It's not necessary to have a white background, but it must be plain. And then you must be wearing business attire, and of course don't forget to smile, okay? Be cheerful, be lively. All right, there you go. So once you click ready, there will be a timer of 10 seconds. Can you see? The recording will start in 10, 9, 8, but you need to prepare for the question here. Now after 10 seconds, automatically it will be recorded. Your answers will be recorded. Now, here's the question. Do you think our lives have been improved by computer technology? So that will be your question, and you need to answer that one for at least a minute, but the most recommended time is 15 seconds long. So it means they need a brief and concise answer. So once you're done, then click on done. And here, recording of one question is complete. Please review it. You can start over, but you will get a different question each time. So you may want to review your recorded answers here. So if you are not really that confident that I don't think I'm going to submit this because I'm not confident, I'm not sure with my answers if it's correct though because I'm not really prepared. So you can click redo. But take note, you will get a different question. It's not the same question, okay? And take note, there is only 10 seconds for you to prepare and organize your thoughts. So if you click redo, you will get another question. But if you are seeing that you are confident with your answers, with your video, with your facial expressions, then click on the next question. So it means that you're done with your first question. So now you can proceed to the next question. So the second question though is describing a word. But now I'm not clicking that next question because I'm afraid it will be submitted because I'm already an Engoo tutor. So I'm not clicking on that, but it will just be the same. Okay, so I'm telling you the process is just the same for the first question, but the questions are different. Again, the first question is an open-ended question like what will you do, what would happen next, how will you, blah blah blah. On the second question, it will be a word that will be flashed on the screen, a word or a phrase that you need to describe. All right? And then don't forget to give a brief and concise answer, direct to the point, because the recommended answer is 15 seconds long, but you are given 1 minute to answer. But again, 15 seconds is highly recommended. All right, so I hope that this is clear. So after you submit your second question, then you're done. Okay? Done means that you have already submitted your recorded answers. The two recorded answers. Then that means to say that you need to wait. You need to wait for an Engoo recruitment team to reply or to respond whether you pass or failed. All right? So the most maximum or the maximum time for you to wait is at least 1 week to 2 weeks. But then again, there are some who will just respond after a day or 24 to 48 hours or 3 days. So it really depends. Okay? So what you just need to do after this process is you need to wait for an email. Okay?
Ayan! So, I hope na malinaw yung pagka-explain ko doon sa video, kung ano yung mga dapat yung gawin, ano yung mga tips ko, mga tips and tricks dyan. So, I hope malinaw. If ever meron pa kayong mga tanong after nyo napanood tong video na to, then please mag-comment kayo dyan sa ibaba para masagot ko kayo. Alright? So, sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong dyan, if ever nagkakonduct pa ba ako ng mock demo lesson, then yes, this is the answer. Yes, I still conduct mock demo lesson for you to prepare, for you to equip more during your actual demo lesson. So, thank you so much. I hope naka-inspire ako sa lahat ng mga aspiring tutors dyan. Mag-apply na kayo dito sa Engoo. We are hiring. Ang daming nagtatanong, hiring pa ba kami? Yes, yes, yes. We are hiring and I'm willing to assist you. And thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like this video, comment down your thoughts, your questions for me, and anything regarding sa Engoo. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button and tap that bell notification for you to be notified on my next videos. Thank you again for watching and see you again on my next one. Goodbye!